Does your child do repetitive actions like scratching, bouncing, or twirling hair? Does your child make unnecessary noises? To be fair, some say I make unnecessary noises, usually referring to my singing. Stim toys help those with autism stop their stimming as they fidget with the toy instead. My name is Will Ford and I'll be going over Stim toys for autism. If you have a child who has autism and they make repetitive noises or have repeating actions, they're doing what is known as stimming. Stimming is any behavior that is self-stimulating. Those with special needs usually stim to combat sensory overload. Fidget toys can be stim toys and vice versa. The benefits of both are positive, no matter what the toys are called. With that, these types of toys are usually referred to as stim toys because they replace stim behaviors. Goalie here can be used as a stim toy. The pop socket surely can. I mean, I can't help myself but mess with this thing. Goalie is a suite of therapy apps for special needs kids, used by clinicians, educators, and parents. Are you tired of all the nagging and stress? Well, no more! Goalie is your parent assistant that tells your child what to do step by step, so you don't have to. Goalie is a pocket-sized device that allows for easy programming of routines and built-in rewards functionality. This makes daily activities a breeze. It's easily customizable by you to tell your child exactly what you want it to. It's got all the upsides of a phone, like visual cues, and none of the downsides, like a web browser. Check out getgoalie.com for more info. For people with autism, the recommendations for complexity and function of stim toys may be slightly different depending on the user's motor skills, preferred stim behaviors, and reasons for using a stim toy. Some parents, therapists, or educators might get a stim toy in order to provide a more appropriate replacement behavior that is less distracting or less harmful. In some cases, the stim toy redirects stimming that can be self-harming, like banging your head. In these cases, having a stim toy at all times is very important. Whatever your reason for looking into stim toys or fidget toys for autism, keep the preferences and sensory profile of your child in mind so you can appropriately match the options to their needs. Every child and person with autism is different. They have specific sensory interests as well as clearly defined personal interests. The sensory considerations for stim toys are most important when looking at the stim behaviors you want to replace or redirect. Hopefully this information about stim toys for autism helps you jumpstart your stim toy shopping by identifying how one toy might be differently used than another. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more videos here, or check out the YouTube channel here. Also, don't forget to check out getgoalie.com for more information on Goalie.